Here's what you'll need for my lovely beef and ale stew with dumplings: bay leaf, some fresh thyme, carrot, as much or as little garlic as you'd like, touch of tomato puree, onions, some beef of course, butter, a dash of mustard powder, English mustard powder that is, some plain flour, mushrooms, get yourself a nice bottle of ale, some baking powder for the dumplings, fresh parsley and some cheese. The first thing we're going to do is brown off the beef, but before that get some of the plain flour into a dish, and then it's in with your beef, and you're just going to coat your beef in that flour. Into a pan you're going to heat your oil and then drop in your floured beef. Once your meat is browned off, it's time to get that into a bowl. Then into there with the onion. Cover that and give that 5 minutes with the odd stir, just to soften down your onions. Once they've softened down, it's time to go back in with your meat. Then in with some stock, and not forgetting your bottle of beer, or bottle of beer to us non-ventriloquists. With your sprigs of thyme. Don't forget to count how many you've put in, because you're going to get them out later. 2 or 3 bay leaves, half a teaspoon mustard powder, and some salt and pepper. And then lastly, just about a tablespoon of tomato puree. And you'll find that all the gnarly bits of the beef that were on the bottom of the pan will start to soak away and go into the gravy. Well, you want that because they're absolutely full of flavour. So put that down on a low heat to simmer for at least an hour, just to soften everything up. When it's been simmering away for an hour or so, it's time to go in with your garlic, carrots and your mushrooms. And then it's back on with your lid. With your dumplings ready to go, it's time to turn the pan off and then extract your thyme and bay leaves. Be careful not to burn your fingers. When your stew's had a couple of hours, to reduce the meat down, you're just going in with your dumplings. Leave a couple of centimetres gap. And then you're going to pop that into a preheated oven for around 20 minutes. You'll see them expand a bit and go slightly brownish.